5 minutes, not even 5 minutes into the ride. Right there, he's just chilling. Big fat brownie, come on. Just check that, I think I might have broken the spoke. What the fuck? Hi guys, sorry I haven't put a video out lately. Just running you through some of the issues I've been having. So got a Cushcore, this was on my rear 29er. I had a downhill casing on the back. I run 28 with a Cushcore and still managed to cop a decent hit straight through it. Put a couple of photos up to show you some of the damage. So that was a bit unfortunate. Then with one of my rims, there's no chattering around the edge of them, they're all smooth, but just had this with the tyre where it's just separated on the bead, which is really frustrating. So that was another. Buy a new tyre, and finally got that and realised I'd actually also had a bit of a hard landing and split the rim too, so that sucked. Had to buy a new hoop just to get that done. And then when I was running my 29er the other day, going around to OHH, decided to pop the shock, and all the rebound oil or all the dampening oil decided to come flooding out of it, and took it down to the boys at Bike Society. They advised it was going to be 2 to 3 weeks to fix, so I'm really happy about that service at the moment, so we'll go from there. Alright, first run, damn revamp, gotta do this because I got the Assegai on the front. I remember this not really having the best of berms at the top here, so it's gripping, it's good actually. I'm used to my front wheel sliding a bit through here. Come on, stop that safety braking. Ah, beautiful, look at the... Done a bit of track maintenance. So running 29 in the front, 29 in the rear. I had to take the 650 off because I split the rim. Oh, go higher. Oh, I missed it. Oh, leaks. Oh, so a beautiful little warm-up run. Cheers out the poplar. Just check that, I think I might have broken the spoke. What the fuck? Oh, that's interesting. Oh well, looks like I'm not riding today. That shock has just fucking blown up. Don't know what's happened there, but she is going pop. Alright, well that's fucked.